to fix login error in TripAdvisor. First, if you are facing any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi to connect to your internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet errors. However, if there's any login errors in the application, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, tap on an iPhone storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the TripAdvisor application. Click on Show All, and here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.